Well, I do multiple things, but I think all of those things are to do with just being able to tell a story or being able to say what I want to say to the world or to anyone who's listening.
अरे भाई, अभी तो सिर्फ जन्म हुआ है, भाग्य अभी खुलना बाकी है, पूरी कहानी शुरू से तो सुनाओ।
So I use different mediums to do that. It could be plays, so I write, I direct, I produce, I act in plays. I had no one dream. I knew that I wanted to do something creative. I wanted to do something that would benefit people or society in some way. I would cry and I would get angry and I would get depressed, and I still do. I mean, it's not that, you know, all the challenges are over, but there have been a lot of people in my life also who have constantly encouraged me, who have constantly made me feel that what I'm doing is right. You know, being a woman in a largely patriarchal, sexist and a misogynist society, you have to constantly prove yourself.
हम रानी लक्ष्मीबाई पेशवाओं की गोद में बड़े हुए हैं।
हम रानी लक्ष्मीबाई पेशवाओं की गोद में बड़े हुए हैं।
Every woman has had such an inspiring journey that there's inspiration all around me, so I don't need to look very far for it. If a woman is single, if a woman doesn't have kids, then she's any lesser of a woman than a woman who's married and has kids. I mean, we never set these standards for men, so I don't think why they should be for women. It doesn't matter how a woman looks, because we never hold those kind of standards for men, and we only look at men for their achievements and, you know, the kind of work they do. So why do women have to be constantly under the pressure to do good work but also to look good?
कभी वो दिन भी आएगा जब अपना राज देखेंगे, जब अपनी ही ज़मीं होगी और अपना आसमां होगा।
छलकारी कोई एक नहीं थी, वो तो हर औरत है जिसने आजादी को ही अपना गौरव माना।
I try and be honest to myself. I try to, I hate looking at anything, looking at injustice. It really bothers me. The advice I would like to give women is to stop taking advice from anyone and just do what you think is right and what makes you happy. So there's this book that I wrote called I Need to Pee. So one of the publishers who was very keen on publishing this book, and then she basically told me that, you know, these shorts that this girl is wearing, they're too short. So can you change them into pants? So I had only one question to that lady. I said, you know, okay, I'll change these shorts to pants, but I just want to ask you one thing. Would you have said the same thing if it was a little boy and he was wearing shorts? Would you have also asked me to change it to pants because too much of his legs were showing? So she had absolutely no answer. And I thought that, you know, if a publishing house can objectify a little girl, like an 8-year-old girl, if they can look at this little kid through the prism of gender and sexism, then I definitely don't want to get my book published by them. So I backed out and I said, you are not going to publish my book. And then I went ahead with another publisher, Penguin. So yeah. I think it's a great platform because anyway there are such few platforms where women's voices get heard. Not just women, but anyone could get inspired watching these videos and shaping their lives.